Good morning, it's James from Advanced in Car, and we are sat in a 2019 unregistered VW T-Cross. So standard tablet Golf 7 style, Golf 7.5 style, they were the first to see it. Now the new Polos have got them. Tablet style display but with the two knobs. Let's just turn it on. And what we've done today is we have fitted the front and rear factory optical parking sensors. So on this particular model you can just go for the rears, which are optical, flash and colour coded, but this customer has gone for front and rear, which does involve a little bit more of taking the bumper off and replacing panels and fitting new grille mounted sensors because they're quite low. Okay, so I'm just going to start her up. Now you will notice, apart from the screen, usual cluster of buttons down here. This would have been a blank before we got involved and fitted this new one. So this parking button illuminates with all the other buttons at night and allows you to access the parking system without going into reverse gear. Not every parking manoeuvre is in reverse gear because sometimes you're creeping up a hill. Okay, so I'm going to pop it into reverse. As soon as you go into reverse, you've got instant activation on the display. So if I just roll forward a tiny bit, it would help if I was in drive. So, okay, just for the video's sake, just pop it into reverse. You've got instant access to the rear optical parking sensors, and you've also got, with the newer models, started off with the Golf 7, the trajectory of where you're going to end up. So I'm just moving the steering wheel now so it can show you for people that don't really enjoy parking. Okay, so at the moment we've got nothing going on at the rear, so I'm just going to reverse up. And there we go. The two middle sensors have a slightly larger field of vision than the two outside ones, so that we don't pick up all the sort of side obstacles, because that's why you've got your rear view mirrors. So when we pop it into drive, you can now, there's nothing in front of us anyway, so I'm just going to pull forward. Hopefully the camera's not going to wobble around too much. And as we pull up to the car in front of us, there we go, we've got the front sensors, and I've turned the audio off. So you can see that you can turn the audio on and off if it's upsetting you whilst you're parking, but of course that's the reason why it's there. Okay, so let's just do that. And then on the flip side of that, when you come out of there, as soon as you go into park or drive, the display will go, or sometimes when you drive away and drive over a certain amount of time, it'll then switch off the display. I think it's about 7 kilometers an hour. During your screen here, you can actually go into your settings, so hit car first, then settings, and you've got a new menu, parking and maneuvering. So you've got a feature that's activate automatically. This means that if you are behind vehicles at traffic lights or parking, it'll activate automatically. Not everybody enjoys that or wants that, so you can just turn it off like so. That way it'll only be activated on reverse or the parking button. You can set your volume and you can set your pitch. So if you wanted to, you can go into here. Okay, so sounds a bit funny, but it's nice because people with hearing issues might want a slightly higher or lower pitch. Anyway, so you can go in there and change all those settings. That's the rear volume and front volume and pitch. So let's go out of there like so, all touchscreen. And then again, without touching the gear stick, if I press the parking button, because we're not in a reverse maneuver, you just press the parking button and you can get exactly the same display up on the screen. So this is a front and rear factory fitted VW T-Cross parking sensor system, color coded, flush sensors, and as it would have been coming out of the factory. If you've got a vehicle like this, please get in touch with us. It's www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, please subscribe to our channel.